The clock is running out, basically. We're running out of time to make significant changes that need to be made. And the only way that these changes are going to be made is through people with the kind of knowledge and the drive to make those changes.
The course Renewable Energy and Sustainable Technology offered a broad yet detailed covering of the subject area, which is perfect for me who's looking to change career paths. And it excites me because it will give me the skills and knowledge to have a positive impact battling climate change.
The course is really broad in its scope. It goes from mechanical technology for producing electricity through squishy bioprocesses for processing wastes into energy, electrochemistry for hydrogen production, all the way through then to your project, which can be on any of those topics or a topic of your choosing.
We've got wide-ranging facilities. So we have labs that are dedicated to biological systems, biological reactors, monitoring control systems, but then we have analytical tools as well. A lot of the equipment that we've got available is actually very similar to what you would find in industry. In Baglan, for example, Energy Park, we've got areas more related to hydrogen and hydrogen storage.
So this is the Baglan Hydrogen Centre. We're located on the Baglan Energy Park, which is between Port Talbot and Swansea. So what we do here is industrial facing research. So we tend to work with companies at that earlier stage, proving and demonstrating their technologies, mostly when they use hydrogen. I think the work we do here enables the MSc students' dissertation projects to be based on real research, so real active, ongoing, cutting edge research.
Field visits. So we've got visits to water and wastewater treatment facilities, waste treatment facilities as well, Baglan Energy Demonstration Centre for hydrogen, a wind farm and biomass and hydro sites as well.
I love two modules. One is solar and grid and another is hydrogen energy. I did my bachelor's in chemical technology. So this course helped me to do research on waste management, waste treatment and anaerobic digestion.
So I've learned about heat pumps and hydrogen energy, which will make me more employable because they're current technologies that will be important for the green industrial revolution.
This university, the academic team, the staff are very helpful. They are teaching us very well and they are guiding us. So the staff support is so much here.
Some of our students will go on into fields such as wind farm development. Others might move into the domestic sector. Some of our students will move on into the water industry. We have strong links with Welsh Water through our research work here at the university. Students have also worked for the Environment Agency, Natural Resources Wales, those sorts of organisations that are the stewards of the environment.
The MSc is underpinned by high impact research that is internationally recognised and world leading.
We're looking at really groundbreaking ways to generate green hydrogen directly from solar power. Think about how we can store that energy in the form of hydrogen and how we can reshape the way we think about sustainable energy and future use. We're passionate about renewable energy and using hydrogen, so we want other people to join us that want to be part of that next big breakthrough.